In a small village nestled amidst rolling hills and colorful meadows, lived two best friends named Lily and Max. They were ordinary children with extraordinary imaginations. Every day, they embarked on magical adventures that took them to enchanting places beyond their wildest dreams. One sunny morning, as Lily and Max played near the babbling brook at the edge of the village, they stumbled upon an ancient, dusty book hidden beneath a moss-covered rock. With curiosity gleaming in their eyes, they opened it to find pages filled with spells, maps, and riddles. Little did they know that this discovery would be the beginning of their incredible journey. As they flipped through the pages, a shimmering light emanated from the book, swirling around them until they were lifted off their feet. They found themselves in a mystical forest with towering trees and glowing flowers. The air smelled of sweet lavender and whispers of magic danced on the wind. Their first adventure took them to the land of talking animals. They encountered a wise old owl named Oliver, who guided them through the enchanted woods. They met a chatty squirrel named Simon, who shared stories of hidden treasures. Lily and Max laughed as they listened to the animals' tales, and in return, they told stories of their own adventures from the world beyond. Next, they ventured to the Crystal Caves, where shimmering crystals of every hue adorned the walls. In the heart of the cave, they discovered a friendly gnome named Gilbert. With his help, they solved intricate puzzles, unlocking secret passages that led to a sparkling underground lake. The water reflected their excited faces as they made a wish upon a shooting star that had fallen into the depths. Their final adventure brought them to the Rainbow Kingdom, a place of vibrant colors and friendly creatures. They met the Rainbow Princess, a kind and gentle ruler who granted them a special gift, a pair of magical wings each. With their newfound ability to fly, Lily and Max soared through the skies, painting colorful trails across the heavens, spreading joy wherever they went. Throughout their magical adventures, Lily and Max learned important lessons about friendship, courage, and the power of imagination. They discovered that the greatest magic was found not in spells or potions, but in the bonds they shared and the beauty of the world around them. As the sun began to set on their final adventure, Lily and Max found themselves back in their village, holding the ancient book that had brought them such wonder. They closed it gently, promising to keep its secrets safe, their hearts filled with gratitude for the unforgettable experiences they had shared. From that day forward, Lily and Max knew that the magic of their adventures would always remain with them. They continued to explore the world around them, seeking new adventures, and spreading joy wherever they went. Their friendship and imagination became a source of inspiration for all who crossed their paths, reminding everyone that within each person, there lies a world of magic waiting to be discovered. And so, the magical adventures of Lily and Max became legendary, passed down from generation to generation, inspiring children to believe in the extraordinary power of their own imaginations and the wonders that awaited them in the world.